मेरे फ़ोन की मेमोरी ना बहुत ही होगी. हाँ, started. So I make these videos and upload on my YouTube channels for the education. So if people find these kind of birds, how can they help?
Smart. Very smart.
Yeah, so it's a sunbird species. It's very young. It's juvenile. So I'm doing a mites and lice treatment. It's okay, no problem. Because wild birds they do carry external parasites in their body, and it is a supplement which is in which I have added pain relief and which is made of dehydrated nectar. He drank very well now like that. See that he's drinking.
Yeah, he's drinking
You
now.
see that he's drinking. So if you ever find any this kind of species, no, do not try to open their beak because you know it can break easily. It's very soft, and this upper and lower mandible, you see it's sharp, but it's very soft. So accidentally we can इसको take करने चाहेंगे तो it can get damaged. You see that when I insert the beak inside, he's drinking. See that?
Oh.
Their main diet is nectar.
Sweet nectar.
Yeah. They feed on flowers and sometimes they eat few insects. This much dosing is enough. We cannot force.
He's closing his eyes.
He's very much exhausted, no? See that now he's swelling. First he will fill in his beak. They're filling lower mandible beak, no, it has a gap, space to fill that food. And this is how they will store food in the throat and they will regurgitate and feed their chicks.